Okay, so this is going to be an unboxing of this thing that somebody sent me. I'm not entirely sure what it is yet, but we'll pull to open it. From the outside, at least, it appears that it was shipped pretty damn well, and I'm nice to my FedEx drivers, so this should be in excellent condition. Okay, there's a box, nothing else in there. That off to the side, along with that. Okay, so this just looks like a plain brown unassuming box, probably the same box the carrier would have originally shipped the phone in. I'm gonna try and be gentle. Here we go. This is up. I'm gonna mark that. Okay, wow, there's my personal information. Okay, so this is a 256 gigabyte OnePlus 8T or 8 Pro. Interesting. Okay, well, we have a Nokia brick. This is not the brick that would have come with this phone. I believe the OnePlus is the one with the lightning charge or some kind of fast charging, so let's see. This is only a 5-volt 2-amp charger, so this is not a fast charger. Dash charging is what OnePlus uses. Okay, so I'll pull out the charger because I'm going to need that. Okay, it is a USB-A to USB-C. I don't recognize this as being a OnePlus charger, though I had a friend with a OnePlus. I can ask them if this is the proper cable. So that's usually not that big of a deal. And now here's the phone, bubble wrapped. I'm going to set the box aside and open it. Ooh. There we go. Okay. Okay, it looks pretty nice. It needs some Windex. Okay, SIM dual, OnePlus. I like the color. Wow, this is nice. This is kind of soft touch, like not fabric soft, but soft plastic. Feels nice. Let's see if it has a charge. Does not. Oh, that's the volume. Okay, here's the power button on the right side. Aha! It has a charge. And I think I'm going to switch lenses. The phone is huge compared to what I'm used to daily driving, but man, is it nice. The edge-to-edge screen is excellent, and I really like the little round punch out for the camera here. The blue color is nice. The camera came out to be in excellent condition, as you can see. And let's do the hardware check. So the lock button works. Touchscreen seems to work. OLED seems to be burnt in. I think that's just semi-transparent. Yeah, that's semi-transparent. Never mind. This phone does have one-handed accessibility features, which is nice, as you can see. The screen gets nice and bright. The response rate is excellent. I don't know what it's set to right now, but it's definitely higher than 60. Just from looking at the quick settings here, it does not look to be super burnt in this area, which is excellent. Always good to see. We currently do have the Play Store installed, not signed in. Nice haptic feedback here. Haptic is working. That's good to see. Let's go to settings and go to about phone. So we've got a Snapdragon 865, 12 gigs RAM, 256 gigs of storage. This is the OnePlus 8 Pro. 120 hertz fluid AMOLED display. It is absolutely beautiful. That does seem to match. Does seem to match what we got here. 256 gigs. Android 11 right now. Let's go ahead and, oops, not that. Let's go ahead and check the Android Easter egg. Lollipop, I believe this is. Don't think this is the latest version, however. Huh. Wonder what that just did. Anyway, kernel version, let's see, how can I get access to developer mode? You are now a developer. Excellent. So now I'll be able to do what I need to do in terms of flashing a custom ROM on this. Developer options are here. Look at that. Average 3.2 gigs of 12 gigs memory used. For a full-fat Android system, that's pretty decent, and you have a lot of RAM to work with. So far, just like using it, it feels good. So the screen has some scratches on it, it looks like, but that's not the end of the world. I think the OLED is plenty bright enough to overcome the minor imperfections in the screen. It does need a good cleaning. However, I'd say this one was definitely a winner. Definitely a score so far.